Hi everyone, good morning. I am Anup Verma. I want to share my Global Logic Technical Round interview experience with you. I attempted the HackerRank written test. Then in same day, in evening, I receive a call from HR team. Then she schedule a meeting in morning 11 to 11:30. In interview time, I make a small mistake. In first, I say good morning, sir, but she was not a sir. Then again, I tell sorry, ma'am. Then after greeting, he start. Anu, do you know Java language? I reply, no, ma'am. Then he asked me which language you will prefer to work in Global Logic. Then I reply, Python. Then I say, ma'am, I can learn Java quickly if needed. Then she replied politely, don't need. Anu, we relax and focus on your interview. Then she start. What is difference in C and Python? Then she told me, what is set? What is difference between list and tuple? What is difference between set and tuple? And why we use set? Then he asked, what is dictionary? She give me a programming question, find the character in a given string. Find a duplicate character in a given string and then explain the idea. And then also focus, can I do a task in another way? And then she give me another task, find the frequency of a character. And then she also asked me, explain your idea, can I do same task in different approach? After that, she give me another task, swap a variable using with a third variable and without using a third variable. Then she told me, what is module we use in Python? Python support concept. Then she also told me how we will manage in memory in Python. Then she told me what is use concept, what is difference between polymorphism and inheritance, and how many way we can write syntax in polymorphism. And then she asked, what is difference between encapsulation and data abstraction? What is abstraction and what is inheritance? Then she told me what is interface and abstraction class. Can I make a method static? And then she started a question from data structure. She told me what is difference between array and linked list. How we will know linked list have a loop And then she asked me how we will find the middle element of a linked list. Can you print a linked list in River without using a recursion? And she told me in which storage, yeah, in array or linked list, how we will use array and how we will use and how and when we will use array and when and how we will use linked list. After that, she asked me what is heap concept and also explain binary heap, and then asked me hash table and hash fun hash table, and then she told me which sorting algorithm is best and why, and which sorting algorithm is best. Searching and sorting algorithm is best. Explain why. Then she asked me what is VFS and TFS. After that, she asked me some question from SQL. What is difference between delete, drop, and tourniquet? Please write the syntax of tourniquet. After that, she asked me what is join, explain different type of join, and what is self join. After that, she asked me acid, what is acid property, what is normalization, what is difference between first and second normalization, what is transitive function, what is full function and what is full full dependency and a partial dependency. And then she asked us some question from OS. What is software development life cycle and what are different types of software development life cycle? What is deadlock? What is critical section problem? What is virtual memory? And in last, he told me how we can manage memory in Python. In the end, I asked her when what mistake I will do in during the interview. She told me every point and guide. Main focus improve your communication skills, because if you are a fresher and you are applying a multinational software company, then it must you have to know conversation in English, because after training period you have to deal with client, and almost client are from foreign, and and in during interview time she guide me, and when I explain my program logic, then she told me it is complex, it takes more complexity, you can you have you can do same task in another way, and at every point she guide me, and overall she was a very good, and she give me some kind of information and valuable advice. Then if you face interview Anjum ma'am in global logic, then give me from her side, my side, thank you ma'am and hi ma'am. And my HR was G Rashmi and other optional HR was Jatinder sir. Thank you. All the best.